Topiary plants and trees. Topiary can be created with various types of plants, including both shrubs and trees. The choice of plant depends on the desired shape, size, and the level of maintenance required. Here are some common plants and trees used in topiary. 1. Boxwood, Buxus. Boxwood is a popular choice for topiary due to its dense foliage, small leaves, and ability to withstand frequent pruning. It can be shaped into various forms such as cones, spheres, or animal figures. 2. Yew, Taxus. Yews are evergreen conifers that are well suited for topiary. They have dark green foliage and can be shaped into intricate designs. 3. Privet, Ligustrum. Privet is often used for creating hedges and can be shaped into formal geometric shapes or whimsical animal figures. 4. Juniper, Juniperus. Junipers are versatile evergreen shrubs and trees that can be shaped into a variety of forms, including spirals, pyramids, and cones. 5. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis. Rosemary, with its fragrant needle-like leaves, is sometimes used for smaller topiary projects. 6. Holly, Ilex. Holly plants, known for their glossy green leaves and often bearing red berries, can be shaped into different forms for topiary. 7. Cypress, Cupressus. Certain cypress varieties, like the Italian cypress, are suitable for tall, narrow topiary shapes. Topiary plants in India. Topiary is the art of training and trimming plants into decorative shapes. While various plants can be used for topiary, the selection often depends on the climate, soil conditions, and local preferences. In India, a variety of plants are suitable for topiary, providing options for creating beautiful and artistic designs. Here are some popular topiary plants in India. 1. Ficus retusa, banyan tree. This evergreen tree is commonly used for topiary due to its small leaves and ability to withstand regular pruning. 2. Ficus benjamina, weeping fig. Another member of the ficus family, the weeping fig, is often chosen for topiary because of its elegant drooping branches and glossy leaves. 3. Bougainvillea. Known for its vibrant and colourful bracts, bougainvillea can be shaped into various topiary forms. It is well suited for warm climates. 4. Boxwood, Buxus. Though not native to India, boxwood is a popular choice for topiary. It has small, dense leaves and is easy to shape into geometric designs. 5. Ligustrum, Privet. Privet is commonly used for creating hedges and topiary in India. It responds well to pruning and shaping. 6. Duranta, golden dewdrop. This plant is valued for its attractive golden yellow berries and can be shaped into various forms for topiary. 7. Rosemary. While originally from the Mediterranean region, rosemary can be grown in certain parts of India and is well suited for topiary due to its fragrant leaves and ability to maintain a compact form. 8. Hibiscus. The hibiscus plant, with its large and colourful flowers, can be pruned and shaped for topiary purposes. When selecting topiary plants, it's essential to consider the climate and soil conditions of your specific region in India.